I'm going to try some Maua wine. It is alcoholic and this is how you're supposed to drink it. I'll try only a little bit. Let's see how it is. DJ. Oh, smells. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. My name is Swati and I'm a travel vlogger. This is day 4 in Chhattisgarh. So far, our journey has been so good. I feel like this is one of the most exhilarating and raw travels that I've done. And guess what? It is only going to get better. Now we are going to enter the Bastar region. It is popular for culture, traditions, tribes, and a lot of nature. On today's itinerary, we have a bunch of interesting things planned. We're going to see some caves, waterfalls, a tribal market, and also cockfight. Have you ever seen one? I haven't, so I'm very excited and let's do this. I'm gonna tell you that I love you. Made it to Mother Konda Caves. Actually, there's a bit of a walk. We've parked our car over here and now we are going to go. Having access to a car is such a blessing here. If you are coming directly, then you can rent a cab or you can book a cab service like this, or you can also take a bus, but then you'll have to work according to the timings of the bus. But this has been so good. 100 times a day, you'll get tired of my voice. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much. This is pretty scary. It would take us about 1.5 hours to explore this place. It's kind of uncanny that at some point in time, people used to live here. That was awesome! Such an adventure. There are around 4 caves around this area and so good, guys. All dirty, but too good.
She's calling me, like the rainbow.
We have now come to Tiratgarh waterfalls. This looks like a pretty popular tourist spot, unlike the other places that we have been to. It's about 12 kilometers from the cave and you can see there's so many shops over here, so many cars parked over there. And yeah, this is called Tiratgarh waterfall. It has 3 layers of waterfalls.
She's calling me, like the rainbow. She's calling me, like the rainbow. The rainbow.
That was so refreshing and I also changed into fresh clothes. Now for a place that is supposed to be touristy, this was practically empty. Not a lot of people visit Chhattisgarh because of the fear and everything. But in my experience of traveling across Chhattisgarh, we even traveled to the interiors. I do think it's pretty safe to travel. I did a lot of research before coming here and I think what you know about Chhattisgarh and you read about Chhattisgarh, it is a slight exaggeration of the facts. We have now come to Tiratgarh village to have some lunch. It's actually very late for lunch. It's around 6:25 and I am famished. This is a tribal village. We'll be visiting more villages, so more on villages then. For now, super hungry. Let's go and grab a bite. So we are here and Gajendra invited us for lunch to his house. So this is where we are going to have a meal. क्या खिला रहे हो हमें?
फिश है
अच्छा
और दाल
अच्छा
चावल.
चलो let's eat. It's really good. Very, very good. This is the morning next day, day 5 in Chhattisgarh, and right now we are in the circuit house in Jagdalpur. This is where we started our journey, and we are back here. From here today, we will go and see many interesting things, and we will also reach Chitrakoot to see the mega waterfalls. Very excited for the day. A lot of interesting things planned today. We couldn't do the market and the cockfight yesterday, so hopefully we will do it today. Now let's go. To Chilkuti village to see some bell metal craft. This is a small little village and it's about 20 kilometers from Jagdalpur. Now here you will meet artisans making beautiful brass pieces.
अच्छा था मैडम, लेकिन थोड़ा सा कन्नड़ मतलब समझ में नहीं
क्या क्या सीखा कन्नड़ा में?
कुछ सीखा था, भूल गया, बहुत साल तो हो गया.
Thank you, भैया.
वेलकम मैडम.
Bye.
बाय बाय.
Got myself some souvenirs. Got this cute little necklace and also this turtle. Narayanpal temple. This was on our way to Chitrakoot waterfalls. This has a very interesting architecture similar to the ones that we saw in Barsur. Again, this was built in the 11th century by the Nagvanshi kings. We have now come to Mendri Ghumar Valley viewpoint. It's a canyon and Mendri Ghumar in Gondi language means, Mendri means monkey and Ghumar means waterfall. So at one point in time, at this place used to be a lot of monkeys, and even right now there is a waterfall, hence this name Mendri Ghumar.
मैडम, ये जो दिख रहा है महुआ का पेड़ है.
महुआ क्या होता है?
महुआ फूल होता है, पेड़ पे लगता है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, उससे दारू बनता है. महुआ से
सिर्फ दारू
और लड्डू भी बनता है. जहाँ हम मार्केट जा रहे हैं वहाँ मिलेगा. वहाँ
तो कहाँ बनता है ये दारू और ये सब? घर में?
घरों में बनाते हैं दारू.
स्वीट स्मेल.
अगर खा के देखिए.
मीठा है? कौन सा गाँव है?
कर्नाटका.
Finally, we are at the Madum Tribal Market. As the name suggests, this is a tribal market and this is active only on Saturday. This was on our way to Chitrakoot and it happened to be a Saturday, so we are here. There are a lot of tribal markets that you would see in Bastar and you'll have to check on what days they are active and you can plan your trip accordingly. Now, I have no idea what to expect from this market, so let's go and see. This here is a tribal cope. This is made of bamboo. Interesting. I'm going to try some Mahua wine. It is alcoholic and it is made of Mahua, which is a flower that is locally available, the one that Bhaiya was talking about. And this is how you're supposed to drink it. I'll try only a little bit. Let's see how it is. बस अब कैसे करना है इसमें ऐसे? Oh, smells. It has a very very, very smoky kind of a flavor. You see this huge crowd behind me. Well, people have gathered here to witness a cockfight. It is a traditional game and people bet over it. Seems like it is a big, like a huge deal over here. There's so many roosters and I've never seen something like this. So let's see. So that was quick.
10 seconds and it was over.
Yeah, like 10, maximum 15 seconds and it's done. So yeah, this was a traditional cockfight. A bit sad, right?
Yeah, a little. The first one was a little sad.
Yeah,
The
you
first
feel
one-
guilty.
Yeah.
Like you feel guilty seeing
Seeing
that.
it.
But it is what it is. And I guess that's it for this video. We are now going to Chitrakoot. That's a part of a different vlog. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you like to watch travel videos in general, then please do consider subscribing. I will see you all very soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.